Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you a fictional story in my own words. Once upon a time, there was a farmer lived in a small village named Mohan. He was healthy, strong and full of dreams. He often told his friend that one day he will be the richest farmer in this village and people will come to him to take advice. His land will shine golden with the crops, and also wherever he will go, he will be respected. People always admire his ambitions, but there was a problem. He was lazy. When all the farmers went to his land in the morning, he stayed in his bed. And when all the farmers work hard under the hot sun, he preferred to rest in the shade of the tree and keeps on dreaming his success. One day his uncle came to his land and he asked him that why is your land empty? You always promise about the golden sign about your land, but where is the crop? There is nothing. Then Mohan started laughing and said to his uncle that don't worry, I will grow something tomorrow. The old man sighed and he, because he was tired of listening this tomorrow and tomorrow, that's why he decided to teach Mohan a lesson. He took out two seeds from his pocket and gave it to Mohan. He said that these seeds are not ordinary seeds, these are magical seeds. The one seed is ambition, seed of ambition, and the another seed is seed of laziness. If you plant the seed of ambitions, it requires effort, daily take care, and watering every day. But if you plant seed of laziness, it can grow very quickly, but it will cover your entire land and it can destroy the whole path. Mohan started thinking and he decided that of course he said to himself that of course I would grow the seed, I will plant the seed of ambition because I have I have big dreams. But when the morning came, he felt tired and he forgot to plant the seeds. After some days, finally, out of boredom, he planted both the seeds and thought that he would take care of the plants later on. And again, he forgot to take care of the seeds. After weeks, when he came to his land, he was shocked because his land was full of weeds. The land was choked. Whereas the seed of ambition, it grows into a small plant, but it was very small and very weak because it had received no water, no care. That's why it cannot grow, because seed of ambition requires effort and daily take care. And this is the first time when Mohan realized his mistake. He realized the truth. He realized that only dreaming big is not enough. It requires action, then only you can achieve your goal. And at that time, he completely changed. At that night, Mohan could not sleep. Mohan could not sleep because he kept on thinking that how much time he wasted, how much opportunities he lost, and how many empty promises he made. Another morning, before the sun rose, he went to his land and pulled all the weeds from his hand and clear all the land and started watering the seed of ambition every day. After over the years, the seed of ambition, the the small plant grows into a great trees, the trees which started giving fruits and shed and wealth. So this story, the same happens with our life also. Like we have very big dreams. There are people who is like Mohan. They just keep on thinking that they just keep on thinking about big dreams, but when it time comes to work hard to achieve that dreams, people always hate it. So through this story, I just want to tell that we should always try to pull out the weeds of laziness from inside, from ourselves, because there are these two seeds are inside us, the seed of ambition and the seed of laziness. So we should always try to water the seed of ambition and try to pull out the weed of laziness from us. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you tomorrow in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and stay consistent. And if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.